Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to How to Sing with RJ. If you want your voice to sound more clearer, richer and more professional, then today's video is for you. We're going to talk about how to improve your vocal tone step by step. Before we begin, let's understand what vocal tone really is. Your vocal tone is the color or the quality of your voice. It's what makes your voice sound unique. Warm, bright, deep, or soft. So improving your vocal tone is not about copying others. It's about discovering your best sound and making it more beautiful. Let's move forward. Step 1. Relax your body and your truth. A tight body equals a tight truth. So you're going to start with having to relax your shoulders and your neck. Relax your shoulders and your neck. And then take a deep breath in through your nose. In through your nose. And then release slowly. What this does is to help you relax your throat. When your throat is relaxed, your voice flows freely and your tone becomes smoother. Secondly, support your tone with proper breathing. Your tone depends a lot on how you breathe. If you breathe shallowly, then your tone becomes weak. But if you use diaphragmatic breathing, which is breathing from your belly, then your voice will sound much more stronger and fuller. Now let's try it together. Place one hand on your belly and take a deep breath in, and then sing a gentle ah. Let's go. Breathe in. Feel your belly expand. See where the sound is coming from? Let's go again. Breathe in, feel your belly expand, and then say a gentle ah, feel it from your belly. Let's go. Ah. Step 3. Open your mouth and space. To improve in your tone, your mouth needs to be opened and there needs to be enough space to allow air flow. Like this. Try saying ah with your mouth almost closed, and try saying ah with your mouth spaced. Then you will feel the difference. Let's go. Ah, ah. Now try lifting your soft palate higher. You see the richness? It is quite different when you do it with your mouth closed or your mouth almost closed, and when you space your mouth, there's a big difference between the two tones. An open space gives your tone richness and clarity. 4. You have to practice resonance. Now, resonance is where your voice vibrates in your chest, your head, or your mouth. Your chest, your head, or your mouth. So to develop your tone, your vocal tone, you need to do some humming exercises, just like this. With your mouth slightly closed. With your mouth slightly closed. Then as you do that, feel the vibration in your face. Let's go. If you are not feeling the vibration in your face, then you're probably doing the wrong thing. Feel the vibration in your face. That is resonance. Now, resonance helps your tone become more beautiful and focused. Step 5. Record and listen to yourself. One of the best ways to really improve in your vocal tone is to record yourself and listen to yourself. Now, while you listen, ask yourself, how is my tone like Is it too nasal? Is it too breathy? Or is it too dull? When you find out, you can always improve by changing your posture, changing your breath, and changing your mouth shape. Remember, your ear trains your voice. A good listening ear, a good voice. Improving your voice takes consistency, so practice this every day and you'll really improve your vocal tone. So relax your body, breathe properly, open your space, open your mouth, and let your natural voice shine. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do well to click on the like button, subscribe, share, and comment. Till the next video. Bye!